Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to send Bitcoin from Electrum wallet. Open Electrum and confirm you are on the correct network and server. Verify your wallet balance and recent transactions before proceeding. If restoring, enter your seed phrase exactly and set a strong password. Consider using a hardware wallet for larger amounts and enable two-factor measures where available to increase security and peace of mind. To send Bitcoin, we must first ensure the wallet is funded and addresses are fresh. Create the appropriate wallet type and generate a new receiving address when expecting funds. Once funds arrive, check the number of confirmations and only spend after a safe threshold. Smaller amounts may need fewer confirmations, while larger transfers should wait longer. Keep your seed phrase offline and never share it with anyone to protect your funds. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading long crypto guides on the go, with a bright screen and long battery life that keeps you studying without strain. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Compose the transaction by pasting the recipient address and verifying it exactly to avoid irreversible loss. Enter the amount in BTC or your chosen unit and choose a fee that meets your timing needs. Use Electrum's preview to review outputs, change addresses, and total fees before signing. If using a hardware wallet, confirm details on the device screen. Once signed and broadcast, monitor confirmations until the recipient acknowledges receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.